Hello everyone, I am Prajakta, Assistant Professor LBS Pune. Today, one of my students asked me why pharmaceutical marketing so different from FMCG marketing. Although both the industries use marketing principle, their approach, customer regulation and objectives are completely different. Let us understand with a simple example. Imagine you are buying a toothpaste. You compare brand, prices, packaging, advertisement before making your choice. Now imagine you are being diagnosed with an infection. Do you choose your own antibiotic? Of course not. A doctor prescribes the medicine, a pharmacist dispenses it, and you consume it as directed. This is the biggest difference between FMCG and pharmaceutical marketing. Let's explore the main key differences. First one is the customer and decision maker. In FMCG, the consumer is usually the buyer and also the decision maker. But in pharmaceuticals, the patient consumes the medicine while doctors decide which medicine to prescribe. Sometimes the pharmacist, the hospital or even the insurance provider can influence the final choice. So, pharmaceutical marketing involves multiple stakeholders, not just one customer. Product purchase. FMCG products satisfy our everyday needs like foods, beverages, cosmetic or personal care products. Pharmaceutical products are very different. Their purpose is to prevent disease, treat illness or improve the patient's quality of life. That's why pharmaceutical marketing must always be scientific, ethical and responsible. Promotion. This is perhaps the most interesting difference. FMCG companies spend heavily on television advertisement, celebrity endorsement, social media campaign and emotional branding. But in pharmaceutical companies, focus is on scientific communication. They educate healthcare professionals through medical representative, clinical research, medical conferences, webinar and continuing medical education program. The goal is not simply to sell a product. It is to build trust through scientific evidences. Regulation. Marketing an FMCG product is comparatively less regulated, but pharmaceutical marketing operates under strict ethical and regulatory guidelines. Every promotional claim must be backed up by scientific evidence. Every communication must comply with the healthcare regulation because ultimately patient safety comes first. Product development. An FMCG product can often be developed and launched within few months, but developing a new medicine may take 10 to 15 years. It involves research, clinical trial, regulatory approval and huge financial investment. That's why a pharmaceutical marketing is a long-term strategic process. Customer relationship management. In FMCG, companies build relationships directly with consumers. In pharmaceutical, companies build long-term professional relationship with doctors, hospital, pharmacists and healthcare institutions. Today, AI-powered CRM, digital engagement and personalized communication are transforming this relationship. Success measurement. Success in FMCG is usually measured through sales, market share and brand recall. In pharmaceutical, success goes beyond sale. It includes doctor engagement, prescription generation, patient adherence, scientific credibility and regulatory compliance. I would like to leave you with one important thought. In pharmaceutical marketing, trust is more powerful than promotion. Scientific evidence is more valuable than advertising. And patient welfare must always remain at the heart of every marketing decision. So, this is my explanation. In your opinion, which difference between pharmaceutical marketing and FMCG marketing is the most significant? Let me know in the comment box. Thank you.